Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. So today we will be discussing page number 105 spelling bit of 8th lesson Luna's Takes Awake. Okay? So spelling bit. Complete these words with the correct letters from the speech bubble. This is the speech bubble and you have to select the correct letters. First one is dash OTHES. So you have to select CL. CLOTHES, clothes. Second, dash IM. Nothing but SWIM, swim. Third, dash UIT. Nothing but FRUIT, fruit. Fourth, dash IGHT. BRIGHT, bright. Fifth one, dash INK. DRINK, drink. Okay, first one is clothes, second swim, third fruit, fourth bright, and fifth is drink. Now let us see the next bit. Listening part is not necessary. Writing part, let us see first. WRITE, write. FIVE, 5. SENTENCES, sentences. TO2, DESCRIBE, describe. THE, the OWL, owl. Write 5 sentences to describe the owl. Full stop. USE, use. THESE, these. CLUES, clues. Use these clues. So first one, he has given the clues as brown, BROWN, brown. Second, SMALL, small. Third, SHARP, sharp, BEAK, big, sharp, big. Fourth, BIG, big, EYES, eyes, big eyes. Fifth, SOFT, soft, FEATHERS, feathers, soft feathers. So let us see the first one. This, 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 IS is, ANN, OWL, owl. This is an owl. Full stop. IT, it, IS is, BROWN, brown. It is brown. Second, IT, it, IS is, dash. It is SMALL, small. Third, IT, it, HAS, has a dash. So third is sharp, big, SHARP, sharp, BEAK, big, sharp, big. Fourth, IT, it, HAS, has dash, EYES, eyes. It has dash eyes, nothing but BIG, big. It has big eyes. Fifth, IT, it, HAS, has SOFT, soft, FEATHERS, feathers. It has soft feathers. It has soft feathers. It has soft feathers. Okay, first one is this is an owl. It is brown. Second, it is small. Third, it has a sharp beak. Fourth, it has big eyes. Fifth, it has soft feathers. Okay, so this is the project work. Take a small pot and put some oil in it. Put some rajma or coriander seeds in the soil. Place the pot in a sunny place. Water the seeds every day. So do this activity for a week. Then what do you see? So tell your class about it. This is your wish, children, if you want to do. Basically it is not necessary for you, okay? So no need to do this project work. So till here only we have to learn. Till page number 106. Okay? So we have completed 8th lesson textbook part. So in the next video you can see the notes part. Okay, so well, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.